it's that idea that, because actually before, when you did walk away with a business card, and I've got a business card, I've got an Amazon gift card, but I used to write on them, blonde hair, had 3 kids, was going on holiday to Honolulu the next day or whatever, because that would be the connection. So there is something that is, come on, app developers and clever people out there, come up with a way that we can quickly say, I met Noelle, she was this, she was that, I need to, that's going to feed back to you. So if you had a opportunity to host an event anywhere, where would you host an event?
That's a fun one. I'll think through like landmarks that really attract me. I would go with like the Sydney Opera House. It's so stunning, both inside and out. How cool would it be to get to put on an event and bring those experiences to life and lean into impeccable sound, impeccable audio visual and create that immersive experience where it's, not only a fun place to go, it creates that memory.
I think that's on my bucket list, definitely. I hate that bit at the end when you finish and you're sort of stuck in the cheesy smile going, quickly, take us somewhere.
Hey, thank you. That was really fun.